train, for its type, is the most powerful vehicle on land. And the trains of America are the power behind the short lines and main lines that make up the rail networks of America. This is a TSMGL train video. What's going on, guys? TSMGL here with all train simulation, small gaming, and LEGO videos. Today I am back with another train video. Today I am at Wheaton Regional Park, rail fanning on their miniature railway. As you guys just heard, the train is now coming, so yeah. It's kind of hard to see, or you were kind of able to see, but now you can't. But there's the train over there, so yeah, just gonna wait for the train to come by. So the train is now coming in, if you guys can even see it, which is most likely a no. You guys can probably hear it a little. This is probably a gas-powered engine rather than propane. If I do get one of these, I'm probably going to get a propane-powered engine and an electric-powered engine. Still might be kind of hard to see. Oh, for those of you who don't know, this is actually the Easter train for the park. So it's still kind of hard to see, but there. It's a 4x4 replica of the CP-110 for the Southern Pacific Railroad. Train's just about to come around the curve. Looks like they're taking it nice and easy. I came here at one point and apparently the train was derailed during its test runs. Well, apparently they got new coaches. I'll leave a link down in the description below for some random old video of the old coaches. Yeah, it's TSMGL. So yeah, crazy train fanatics who like to sit on the back. Foamer alert! And here, guys, we got the train and a bunch of foamers. There's a train. Taking it nice and easy, just like cabin. Here we are at the tunnel, guys. Apparently those kids are pretty interested in being on YouTube. So yeah. A little look through the tunnel, not that long. Apparently they got new coaches. What a sight. Would have seen that if I was in another video. So the train's about to come through the tunnel. Be really interesting. Looks like the guy's a bit too tall. Barely passes through.
Make sure to exit towards the front.
Well, apparently they got a PA system. I ran over! Be sure to check out TSMGL YouTube! Well, I'm about to have some more fans. Hopefully they don't want to ask for Fortnite. But a PA system, for crying out loud, they got a PA system. A PA system. And a new radio system. I swear, they just gave the whole train a refurb. After about 10 minutes, I'm back, guys, with ready for the next train, the 2:30. Should be coming around. Just a quick getting out the station. Just waiting. Alright. I just paused it for a sec, but okay. Apparently the engine also got the radio system. Taking it very easy around the curve with the engine. Flags are also out of scale. And no one's in the back apparently. CP Huntington engines, a classic example of a miniature engine. Sorry if it's a little shaky, it's kind of windy. Here I'd say the track is, coming up to the crossing, is the least maintained. I mean, how are you supposed to get that out of the ground? And where are the spikes for that one? That one is no question. And I have no idea where the next tie is. And the rest of the ties are pretty much buried along with that rail rod. And of course there is the rest of the ties, which pretty much make their own canal of sort. And here's the train. Like one giant eye with the headlight. I don't know why the headlight's even on. Probably the bridge is going to be the outro, but that does it for this video. Yeah, most likely going to be the outro. That does it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Smack the like and subscribe button, and ring the bell. And this is TSMGL out with talking.